Back in Papua New Guinea, the male flame bowerbird is still doing his best to attract a female. And at last, he gets a response. Unfortunately, it's a young male. And worse, he's brought a friend. They're taking liberties, practicing on his bower. He doesn't seem to know what to do about it. But enough is enough. The commotion attracts the attention of another adult male, a neighbour and rival. Having destroyed the bower, he even steals the decorations. The owner arrives back to find a scene of destruction. No female's going to look twice at this mess. He'll just have to start all over again. In life, there will always be rivals in the mating game.